And now, Forecast First on KOLR 10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. It was warm out there again yesterday, as it has been all month, really. We made it to 87 degrees in Springfield, 10 degrees above the daily average, continuing to add on to this record warm May. To update this, we've spent 17 days at 80 degrees or warmer just this month, 19 this year. So again, bulk of the 80-degree days have been just in May. The current May monthly average is 71.7 degrees, over 8 degrees above normal, and we are less than 1 degree away from the warmest May on record. We'll likely be flirting with that number, if not breaking it, as we get through the next 7 to 10 days as we stay warm. Now, this really long stretch of warm weather is popping some of that pollen, high levels on the allergy report for grass, trees, and mold if you are feeling a little bit itchy. What it's also been doing is warming up those lake temperatures. The holiday weekend coming up, you might want to go de-winterize the boat, get some of those boats out there for the first time this season. We've got lake temperatures in the 60s and 70s. 73 degrees is that water temperature at Lake of the Ozarks. Starting out warm this morning, it is 64 in Branson, calm winds and a lot of moisture. That's the recipe for some patchy fog, but it's not as widespread as it was yesterday. A mile of visibility in Mountain Home, a quarter mile in Harrison, but again, not as widespread. You might run into some spots of low visibility. Just keep an eye out on that. 67 right now in Rolla and in Springfield, a warm at 65 in Monette. Starting out warm and muggy, and will stay warm and pretty humid all day. 86 degrees by the end of the day, again about 10 degrees above our average. Rain chances pop a little bit more today. We'll stay pretty dry until about 11 or 12. Then we could bring in some isolated rain chances, and then we'll pop some scattered storms as we head through the afternoon, but they should die down by sunset. What's happening is that stationary front that was to our south yesterday is nosing back into the Ozarks, bringing in more moisture, more instability, more fuel for those storms. So we should see a little bit more in the way of storm coverage this afternoon. You can see Futurecast holding off on storms, or at least holding them to the south and west until about noon. That's where we'll see the storms fire up as that front kind of pulls in. Then we'll see some of these storms creep back into the Ozarks by this afternoon. Temperatures warm in the 80s. We'll have an isolated storm chance overnight tonight, but we'll dry out for the most part and then bring back more scattered showers and storm chances as we head through tomorrow. Similar story for Friday. We'll keep the storm chances pretty scattered, a little bit more widespread. By Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, they turn pretty isolated. Will be mostly dry with a shower or storm possible. Next thing we're watching is a tropical system that's brewing near Cuba here this morning. Not expected to become a tropical storm or a hurricane. It's pretty weak and disorganized, but it will be a rainmaker for our friends in the southeast with some heavy rain expected there. It is going to pass just to our south and east. For now, it looks like we'll wrap around some dry air and be on the drier side of this storm, but we'll have to see if this track nudges a little bit farther this way. We could tap in on some of that rain by early next week. 86 degrees today, warm and humid with some of those afternoon storms. 67 overnight, a lingering storm possible, but it will be muggy. Warm and humid again tomorrow with another round of storms. 85 Monday is Memorial Day. Very summery still for the holiday. Mostly sunny, hot. 88, an isolated storm possible. Pretty similar Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the whole holiday weekend. Sunshine, hot and humid. Vic Hoffman gets $25 to Hy-Vee. Congratulations, Vic Hoffman. Thanks for playing the 3-degree guarantee.